Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll show you how to add music to a Facebook note in just a few easy steps. So, make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. A new screen will appear. Tap on your name or profile picture at the top to go to your profile. Now, to add music to a Facebook note, tap the Notes section at the top of your profile page. A new screen will appear, and you'll see the Share a Thought box below your profile picture. Look for the music icon and tap it. A list of music options will pop up. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the song you want. Once you find a song, select it. Next, drag the slider to choose the specific part of the song you want to share. After that, tap Done in the top right corner. Finally, hit the Share button in the top right corner to post your note. Now, you and your friends will be able to see and listen to the music you've shared in the Notes section of Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials.